Stop what you're doing right now. What I'm about to share could completely change what you put on your dinner table tonight. A shocking 2026 investigation tested 145 rice products from across America, and the results were disturbing for every family. Every single sample, all 145 of them, contained arsenic. Not one brand was clean, not one brand was safe. 1 in 4 products actually exceeded the FDA's safety limit set for infant food. This is an urgent health crisis. We found cadmium, lead, and mercury. These heavy metals accumulate in your tissues over decades, building up silently. This contamination is linked to cancer, IQ loss in children, brain damage, and cardiovascular disease. Today on EatFrame, we're counting down the 8 rice brands you need to avoid immediately. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 8 is Trader Joe's. Their rice often comes from the southern U.S., Arkansas, Texas, and Louisiana. For decades, farmers dumped tons of arsenic pesticides on these fields. That poison soaked into the soil and never left. Now, rice plants sit on those same poisoned fields, absorbing a century of contamination straight into the grain. Number 7. Whole Foods 365. Their long-grain brown rice had the single highest arsenic levels of any brand tested. It tested 1/3 higher than competitors, exceeding even the national average for contamination. Number 6. Amazon's Happy Belly. This brand is now at the center of a federal class action lawsuit filed in Seattle. The lawsuit alleges Amazon sold rice contaminated with 4 different heavy metals without disclosing the risks to you. Number 5. Walmart's Great Value. Sourced from the high contamination South, this brand puts budget-conscious families at risk. Walmart targets families who eat rice as a daily staple, yet their Great Value line shows consistently high arsenic levels. Number 4. Mahatma and Carolina Rice. These legacy brands have been trusted for nearly a century, but the data is jaw-dropping. Mahatma brown rice tested at 317 parts per billion, over 3 times the FDA's limit for infant cereal. Number 3. Seasoned rice mixes. This is a double dose of toxins, combining arsenic in rice with lead in spices. Investigators found lead chromate added to cinnamon to make it weigh more, poisoning the toddlers who eat it. Number 2. Ben's Original. Owned by Mars Incorporated, they source from America's most contaminated farmland. They use arsenic-resistant varieties that absorb the poison without dying, concentrating it right in the grain on your plate. And at number 1, generic bulk rice. With no traceability, there is no way to know if anyone ever tested it for toxins. You can protect yourself. Choose California-grown Thai jasmine or Indian basmati. They test consistently lower. First, rinse your rice. Better yet, soak it overnight and drain the water to remove surface contaminants. Then, cook it like pasta. Use 6 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. Boiling it removes up to 60% of arsenic. Try alternative grains like quinoa or barley. They contain 28 times less arsenic than rice on average. If you have infants, avoid rice cereal entirely. Choose oat or multi-grain instead to protect their developing brains. The industry has known about this for 25 years. You deserve to know what's in your food. Your family deserves protection. Share this video to protect your friends. Subscribe to EatFrame so you never miss an investigation. We'll see you in the next one.